Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, and today's video is going to be more of an educational video to give you an opportunity to make better trades in the market. See, every investor in the market has a lot of different tools to help them to be successful in the stock market. You can day trade. From that, you can scalp trade. You can long-term trade for your retirement. And then another thing you can do is swing trading, where you're trying to hold stocks for a couple of days to a couple of weeks to consistently make money in the market. But in order to do that, you've got to know what you're looking for and how to initiate the trade, how to lock in the profits from the trade, and not to let a loser become a bigger loser. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, I'm going to offer you an opportunity by the end of this video for you to take your investing to the next level. If you're important, you sit right there. Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins, senior instructor here on our VectorVest channel, and I love bringing these videos to your attention. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this come out, and most of all, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Bigly, I want you to share this video with people in your social circles so that you can give them an opportunity to become better traders just like you're going to be. So we're going to talk a little bit about swing trading. And swing trading is a great way to make money in the stock market. And we're going to talk a little bit about what it is. What is swing trading? Swing trading is a speculative strategy where investors buy and hold assets to profit from expected price moves. Expected price moves. What criteria are you looking for an expected price move? Whether it's to the upside or to the downside, you've got to have some criteria to know what you're looking for. Now, swing traders leverage technical analysis, and that's huge, to determine when to get in and when to get out or sell your positions. Now, there is a downside to swing trading, especially if you're trying to hold stocks a little longer. Swing traders are exposed to gap risks. I don't have a stop to protect you against a gap. There's nothing that I can do about that. But with the right stops in place, you can get, even if you get a gap, you can stop a stock from becoming a loss to becoming a really big loss. And that's where stops are coming into play. Now, swing trading requires pinpointing exits to maximize gains and minimize losses. Do you know that you can be in a portfolio that's got more losses than wins and still be ahead of the game? Those principles have never been more important than they are right now, especially given the market's climate. With all of this inflation, can you still make money to the long side on stocks? Absolutely, if they exhibit the characteristics that you're looking for or that you learn to look for. Now, we can teach you how to trade proven techniques, find the best candidates, and know when to exit and enter a trade. Now, we're going to teach you many different trading patterns. We're going to give you profit and exit criteria. We're going to walk you through the setup and the execution. And it is a cherry picking technique, which means that you can take the stocks that you're currently looking at right now to see if they meet the criteria of what you need for a profitable swing trade. We've got proven results, and currently we have a portfolio that's up 23% year to date. Given everything that's going on in the market, that's unheard of. 23%, 56% winning trades. And this is in our swing trading group coaching portfolio, where we walk you through each and every trade, when to get in, what to look for, when to get out, and when to take the next trade. So with that, I looked at that and I said, all right, let's try to, in this little short video, let's try to look for the things that you need in order to set up a proper swing trade. We're looking at the top 10 stocks in our database of over 9,100 stocks, almost 9,200 stocks right now. And from that perspective, let's see, and let's say that this was a watch list of stocks that you were currently looking at. How do I know if any of these stocks meet the criteria for a profitable swing trade? All right, so from here, we're going to right click, since they're all highlighted, and we're going to view the stock graphs. I'm going to look at a 1-year graph. Now, here's a stock that's been rocking and rolling. Right now, it's pulling off. Oil's pulling off. Now, if I'm looking at this from a swing trade perspective, do I see any of the characteristics that I'm looking for back in time to represent the move? No. And I'm going to show you that in a second. No. But are there other techniques using moving average crossovers like a 3 and the 8, which you see me use a lot? Would that have been an opportunity to get in and get out and get in and get out? Absolutely. But from a swing trade perspective, there's not anything that I see that I was looking for. Same thing with CVE. You can use moving averages. We teach about moving averages as well. In this case, from a swing trade perspective, there was none of the things that I was actually looking for a swing trade setup. Same thing for SQQQ. Remember, folks, I'm just looking at the top 10 stocks in our database. Now, Webs, no. ATHOF, no. But I do have a stock that was something called a pennant. Here's the flagpole of the pennant. We're going to teach you how to understand what that means. And actually, that is the potential upside for this stock as a flagpole. And here's the pennant. And the pennant looks like a little bit of a wedge, but we're looking for a breakout from this consolidation or continuation of up move, as you saw here. We had a little bit of a breakthrough. Let's go find a boom, a nice breakthrough. That's your setup. Did we get confirmation overall? Yes, we did, going higher. And now that would have been our entry. And going from there, did it work out? Wow. Look at that trade just keep going higher and higher and higher. And this is what we're going to teach you are these setups and then the executions and walk you through when to get out of the stock. All right, let's go put this back on a 1 year. Let's go find another one, ECTM, which is a descending triangle, which is represented by a floor or level of support. And it's descending because we've got lower highs. Well, again, a little bit of a consolidation, looking at volume drying up. And so what are we looking for again here? We've got a level of, if it breaks below this level of support, we're not taking the trade. But if it stays above that, and notice that my 3 and 8s were bearish as we had the descending triangle happen. Let's move up. Boom, we got a breakout above that level of resistance. Notice that the 3 and the 8 then popped up. So that is our setup. Did we get follow through the next day? Yes, we did get follow through. It wasn't higher than the previous day, but it did open higher than the previous day. We would have gotten into the trade. And then let's go take a look at that. Bam, look at that move. As it moves higher and higher, volume picks up, and again, never came back to a level of where we would be looking to get out. So if this is something that you want to learn more about to increase that ability to swing trade and do so with confidence, I got a webcast for you. I'm going to go out to our website. Go to www.vectorvest.com/confidence. And it's going to take you to a page like this called How to Swing Trade with Confidence. From here, you're going to be given 4 dates or 4 sessions where you can learn what to look for, how to manage the trades, when to get in, the whole 9 yards. It's a free webcast offered 4 times this week, 2 of them on Wednesday at 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. And all you need to do is pick whichever date or time is the best for you. Put in your first name, your last name, your email address. Boom, you are registered for it. Folks, I'm not selling you anything right now. I'm giving you access to a free webcast to help you to sharpen that tool of learning how to swing trade with confidence. Even though the market looks the way it does right now in a dismal state, you can use technical analysis to find even trades to still go long on and manage those trades and make money, and to do so confidently. Folks, this is a great opportunity for you to enhance your ability to make money in the market and to do so confidently. Again, it's free. Go to that www.vectorvest.com/confidence. And all you need to do is just register for any one of those 4 webcasts. It's going to be given by Jerry D'Ambrosio. He's a good friend of mine, and he's going to show you what you have the opportunity to do. So with that, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.